Okay, I'm reading one more thing. I can see enter cell, for example, cell. If dollar age was EQ, you are asking about EQ T. Then just keep let me 50. That is not a good salary. Okay, this is my slide. Now tell me, how many if conditions are there here?
Two.
1 second.
Two conditions.
1 second, yes. So how many if conditions are there here?
Two conditions.
Two conditions. Okay. Now, Sal, I am not reading. Okay, let me read that Sal also. For example, read -p the Sal. Okay, I'm reading two variables, salary and age, right? If age equals to 30, if I pass the age as 30, what will happen?
Print.
Age equal to 30, 30 equal to 30, true or false?
True.
True, it will print. Next, it will come here. Will this print?
Yes. Good morning.
Okay. Then, if so as this if condition is satisfied, will this come to this if?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Why? Because
Yes, because we are not used IF.
they are two different if conditions. So this is one condition. This has started here, ended here. But this is a different condition. No way these two are related to each other. Okay. So this is a different if condition. This is a different condition. Whether it's satisfied, whether it is true or not, whether it executes or not, the other if will not bother about it. Because they are two different. Here it started, here it is already ended. Now I'm coming here. Here it will check for salary. If salary is greater than 50,000, it will print good. And irrespective of that, it will print this. Practice is important. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Have you
Yes.
understood if else if this and all?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll ask few questions, then we'll go for some practice sessions. Now, this script, can I have only if condition without else if and else, only if condition, age greater than 30? Can I have that? Is that possible?
Yes.
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay. Next, let me write it one by one. One is only if. Is it possible? Yes, you said. I have one condition if with if and elif. Without else, is that possible?
Yes.
Like this,
Yes,
till here.
it's possible.
Only till here. Can I write this without else condition?
Yes, we
Yes.
can.
Yes.
It's possible. I don't want the default case, so I'll write like this. Can I write like this? If else, can I write like this?
Yes.
Yes, we just saw this. Next, fourth. If else, can I write like this?
Yes.
Yes.
What, Kavya? You are cooking or sleeping? You were so active initial days, then even you were silent. Okay. Is this possible or not? Yes. I don't want to leave. Condition I'll check. If that is not satisfied, I want to print else. I'll use this. Yes. Can I write? Sorry. Can I write elif next elif else? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Of course.
Yes, we can.
In this, tell me if this if is satisfied, will it execute any one of them?
No.
No. If this if is not satisfied, then
It will go to elif.
if this is satisfied, then
It will skip.
okay. For example, if this is else if is satisfied, if this
It will print under that. Satisfied, it will go for else directly.
no, I'm not. I'm asking this. If is not satisfied, then it came here. This elif is also not satisfied. Then
Next
You
elif.
move to the next
Next
elif.
elif.
yeah, if this is not satisfied, then this. If
Then
even if this is not satisfied, then default else. Okay, fine.
Yes, yes.
Conditions. Okay, good. Next. Can I write like this? First elif, sixth one. Elif, then else. Can I write without if?
No, I think so.
Yes.
No, I think so. Yes, we can write.
Yes.
If condition is there, right? You can write.
No. See,
No.
else if you are saying if is not satisfied, then come to else if. The word itself is else if. If else if condition is not satisfied, then come to else if. They're saying so. First, you should have if. Without if, you cannot have else if and else. If is mandatory. If should be the first thing. If is not there, you cannot use else if or else. Understood? Yes or no? Where you define the
Yes.
condition? If. So if
Yes, yes.
it's not satisfied, then only you have else if. So without if, you cannot have anything. Understood? Okay. Can I write like this? If first, then if. Can I write like this?
No, sir.
No. Can I write like this? Else, then if.
No.
No.
Can I write like this? Else, if. Right like this? 9.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Okay, 9, that is 10. Else, if anything is possible.
No, sir. Starting
No.
if.
Okay, it's not possible. Whatever it is, the first thing should be this. Okay, next one more. 11. If, else, elif. Can I write like this?
No, no, sir.
No. If you are writing else if and else should be the last one. If should be the starting one. In between, you can write n number of else ifs. Understood? Blindly remember, if is first, else is last. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now let's start writing out some scripts. Okay, this got hanged. Just a second. So is it clear, guys? Conditional statements.
Yes.
Okay. Now he was asking about that greater than equals and all, right? Yes, you can write greater than equals like this. If you want to check for greater than, hyphen GT. Greater than means GT. Less than means LT. Equal means EQ. EQ. Less than or equal to. Age less than or equal to means less than 30 or equal to 30. I want to write. For that, such cases, LEQ, I think. LEQ or LE, less than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means GE, greater than or equal to. Like this, I have given in the document. You can check. Somewhere I have given. Just a second, I'll show you. See here. EQ, equal to. I'll come to this. Greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to. I want to mention not equal to. Age not equal to 30. In such cases, NE, like this. NE means age not equal to 30, means it should not be equal to 30. If age not equal to 30, Either it is less than 30 or more than 30. It's not an issue. Just it should not be equal to. Not greater than. NGT, not greater than. Wherever it is, if you use N means not greater than means either equal or less than. It is true, but greater than that means it's not. Not greater than. And like that. N if you use, it will become as not. Okay. Okay. Fine. These are the things. Okay, let me come here. We'll start executing few things. Where is that? Oh, if conditions, right? Okay. Let me take this git bash.
Sir, two conditions also can we write include, sir, like that? Means
Yes, good. Okay, thanks for reminding me. I understood. Okay, got it. Thank you for really I appreciate it. I forgot to explain it. I would have missed it, but anyways, I cannot miss it because it will be there in the document. But thanks for reminding. I want to write two conditions. I want to write a condition where age is less than 30, age is less than 30, and salary is more than 50,000. Two conditions. Within a condition, I want to give two conditions. If $age, if I'm reading, I'm not writing that read age and all, I'm just saying this, $age greater than 30 or else less than 30. Let me take real time example. So people will expect, right, your age should be less than 30 and salary greater than 1 lakh. Write it as 1 lakh, 1 nil short.
sir.
Nowadays, that's it, right? Should not settle. You should not cross 30, but you should earn 1 lakh. Right? As a fresher, we have to get the 1 lakh salary. Okay. Now say this. Now I'm writing two conditions here. Age less than 30. When this will be true? If age is less than 30 and salary is greater than 1 lakh. For example, if age is 28, is the condition true? This is true.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And means both should satisfy. If I'm writing like this, then now, if I passed age as 28, is the first condition satisfied?
Yes.
My salary is more than 1 lakh, like 1 lakh, 1 rupee. So is that true?
Yes.
Both are true. So will this print?
Yes, it will be.
My salary is, for example, my salary will come to that later. For example, age is 32. Age is 32. Is this condition satisfied?
Satisfied.
No. No.
What Kavya satisfied?
Sorry, sir. Not satisfied.
Okay, I think you're saying you are ready to marry a person who is more than 30 lakh. You're saying. Okay. So 32 less than 30, true or false? False.
False.
So as the condition itself is false, first condition itself is false. Is there a necessity to check the other condition? Nowadays, girls will, if one condition is not satisfied, girls will look at it again, right? So if it is not satisfied, then no need of checking the second condition. Will this get executed?
No.
Okay. Next, age is 28. Age is 28. So the condition is satisfied. So it will check for the other condition. Now salary is just 99,999 rupees. Is it satisfied?
No.
No.
So the first condition is satisfied, but the second one is not satisfied. So will it execute?
It will not
Not
execute.
execute.
Not
It will not execute, right? So the two condition has to be satisfied, right? If I mention like in place of and, if I give as or condition, either that or this, only one should satisfy, I'm happy. If the age is less than 30, okay, or salary should be greater than 30. Okay, I'm compromising. That girl is compromising. If you are less than 30, she is matured. She is thinking, okay, you're less than 30, you are not much experience, so your salary might be less. Or else if you are more than 30, okay, your earning is, so for that earning you have spent few years, you gained experience, so okay, I can excuse for that age, she is thinking. Now she mentioned, change that under to R. Age is less than 30. Okay, my age is 28. So that, sorry, not my, that age is 28. So that condition is true or false?
True.
True or false?
True.
True. So do I need to check for the other condition? Either
Yes.
this one should be true. So this itself is true. So this will execute. Okay. My age is 31. Now the age is 31. This true or false?
False.
Shall I skip this condition?
No.
No, you have
As
to
there is a
check
R
that.
condition, if this is false, it will check for the next condition here. Salary greater than 1 lakh. True or okay, salary is like 1,20,000. Is this true or false? True.
True.
It's false, but this is true. One is satisfied, so this will get executed. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So that's so like this. So we can mention two conditions in same if condition. Okay. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, like you said, this one, sir. One more requirement, if it age should be between 25 and 30, and
You can
salary
write
should
one
be
more condition. Like that, you can write combinations.
in the same only one if, sir.
Yes, you can write.
Okay, sir. And we have to use.
Yeah, that is, yes, I'll discuss about that also. Just a second. Now,
Okay.
there you have to use your knowledge. Okay. Now, for example, why should I write two and symbols? Why can't I write only one R? Like two and why I have to write? Let me tell. For example, instead of two R symbols, if I write like this, if your age is 32, this condition is true or false?
False.
So if I have two symbols here, if the age is 30, if this, sorry, let me repeat it again. For example, the age is 28. Age is 28. So in that case, this is true or false?
True.
True. When this is true, do I need to check for the other condition?
Yes. Because
Why should I check? Our condition, when this is true, why should I check for the other one? Already true. One condition satisfies, this will get executed. When this is true, whether the second one it is true or false, I don't bother. Yes or no? The ShellScripting will execute this. Yes?
Okay. Yes.
So when you use two R symbols, if the first condition is true, it will not check for, if this is R condition, it will not check for the second condition. Why? Because you need one true, either this or one, this to be true. This is already true. If I check the second one, whether it is true or false, checking the second condition is of waste. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But in place of this, if we use only one R symbol here, only one here, what will happen is, if the age is 28, this condition is true or false?
True.
So even though this condition is true, still it will go and check for the second condition. It is true. You can execute this. You got the signal to execute this, but still it will check for the next condition. Same under condition also. In under, both should be. If this is false, do I need to check for the other condition? No, because if one is false, this will not get executed. But if you use only one and, even if the first case fails, still it will check for the second condition. So it will be like a performance lag. Unnecessarily, it is going to make the checks. So that's why we always use two and symbols or two R symbols for the condition. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now someone asked, right, sir, if I want to check for salary in between and that, right? If you want to write like that, intelligent, you have to use intelligent like this. If $H, right, greater than 30, no problem. I mean, for example, greater than 18 is enough. right? GT 18 is enough, minus, and one more condition she is mentioning. Okay, I'm ready to marry a person who is more than 80, but 30 is also fine, but less than 33. She wants to mention as less than 33. So she's mentioning like this, dollar age minus LT 33. Okay, fine. She's giving this condition. Okay, fine. But she wants to make one more condition, right? This is one condition. This is one condition. Age can be more than 18, less than 32, 33, but salary should be more than 1 lakh. One more condition she has to write. And salary greater than 1 lakh. But she has one permit. She is thinking in a different way, like this. If your age is more than 33, right? If your age is more than 33, then you should have more than 1 lakh salary. In such cases, what you have to do is you have to separate the conditions like this. This is a different condition, right? So inside the condition itself, we are writing one more condition. Don't get confused. If age is less than 30, sorry, more than 30. If age is more than 30, and in such case, your salary should be greater than 1 lakh. Okay, this numbers, I'm just writing it like this. So in this case, if age is less than 30 or, and if age is greater than 30, let me remove this. I'll write one more condition. See, here one condition. Age is greater than 33. If his age is greater than 33 and salary is greater than 1 lakh, it's fine. Or else, I'll write it, guys. Dollar age less than 30. Okay, if it is less than 30, and or else like see, two conditions here. This is one condition. This is one condition, right? If a person age is less than 30 and salary is greater than 75, this is one condition. This is one more condition. Age is greater than 30 and salary is greater than 1 lakh. If any one of this satisfies, here I am writing, this is one condition. See, here this one condition, here this one condition. These two I made as one condition, here one condition, here one condition, and I mentioned this I made as condition. So now two conditions I'm mentioning as are. Like this also you can write. So you can think of this. Okay, I cannot explain more than this. You think of this, right? If you want to make it a complex thing, you can write like this combinations also. Okay. Have you understood, guys? Tejeshwar, I think you only ask the questions, right?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you.
Like this you can write. That depends on your intelligence, how you write. Okay. Fine. Okay, again it got fine. I think you will end up today's class with if condition only. Okay. Good thinking. That's good, yeah. Okay, even if I spend extra hours to teach, not a problem. If you are like this, then it will be like an encouragement for me. You are learning. Okay, now I will create that. Does it have anything? Okay, I have to get into the CD. Playing music. Who is that here? Hey, someone is using this. See, what I'm doing is no, nothing is there. Where same file read Do you want to execute everything first, if then elif then else? I don't think so. You understood, right? So let me quickly execute the enter age. Okay, age. Dollar age, right? T. Then I want to do this echo. I'm writing like this. First example, what we executed, right? Only with if, right? Such, I'm executing this, so it is asking for the age. So if the age is greater than 30, ready for marriage, it will be, else it will not, right? So it is saying 30, age greater than 30, right? I passed it as 30. Is it printed? Is it executed this? Why?
No.
Okay, I passed
No.
30 equal to 30, but not greater than 30. So we'll pass it as 31. Then it will get executed. Understood? Okay. Now I'll write one more condition. Here I'll change this elif as, here elif I'll write elif condition again, dollar age less than 30, right? Here also I have to give him space, I guess. Okay. Echo then is not required here, I think. Let's see. Okay. Then else, nothing to write here. All right, sorry. Oh, Fi has to be closed, right? I'm writing here. Echo. My marriage, my age. Okay. Why you are talking about my age? Okay. Sh. Okay, first let me cat it. What I have written here? First, if condition. If age is greater than 30, it has to print, I'm ready for marriage. If this is not greater than 30, then it will check this. Age is less than 30, then it will print it. Even if this is not satisfied, then it will print this, right? So irrespective of these two conditions, this condition, this will get executed. Okay, fine. Bash var.sh. I'm passing the age as 28. Now tell me what it will print. Don't.
Early to marry.
Early to marry.
Yeah. Why? Why it will come here?
That's the first condition.
Yeah, this condition is not satisfied. So it will,
Not sure.
will it execute else?
No, sir.
No. Let's see. So syntax error, unexpected elsewhere here. I think then we have to use, I forgot the syntaxes, guys. So many syntaxes. Let me check once. Where is that? Okay, elif also needs then. Okay, elif also needs, else is not required. In elif also, that is also a condition. Right. Then it has to do this until else from then to else it will do that. Okay, bash sh. I'm passing 28. So it printed this. Early to marriage it printed, and also my marriage, my wish, because For this, no condition is related. So always it will print. Okay. Now, if I pass 30, then what it will print? 30.
I am on 30.
Why?
It will skip all conditions are false.
This will condition is false. It will skip. It will come here. This also false. It will skip this. Then it will come here and print that in the last line. Understood, guys? Right? So is it clear how to use elif else? You can use multiple elifs also based on your requirements. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Any questions?
Oh, no, sir.
Okay. Take this assignment. Take this assignment. With this knowledge, if you are able to do this, for sure I'll buy something for you. Okay. Don't expect too much. I'll buy a chocolate or something. And that if you come to institute. Okay. Take this assignment. Write a shell script. Write a shell script with write a shell script to check below conditions. To check below conditions. First one. Check a number is first one is read a number. Just using read command line, you just read it. Okay. Second one. Check if the number is between 1 to 20. The number should be, it has to print the number is between 1 to 20 if the number is printed. Okay, you have to check the condition. Check if the number is between 1 to 20 and print number is between 1 to 20. Just you have to check the condition whether the number is between 1 to 20 and print. If that is true, you have to print the number is between 1 to 20. Okay. Next condition. Check the number is between 21 to 50. Check if the number is between 21 to 50, means the number should be whether the number is between 21 to 50 or not, you have to check. Then print if it is true. If the condition is true, then print the number is between 21 and 50. 21 and 50. Okay. Next step, fourth step, I guess. Check if the parser number is between 51 and 75. And if the condition is true, print the condition is true, then print the number is between 51 and 75. Okay. Next condition. Check if the parser number is between 91 and 100. 91 and 100. If the condition is true, then print the pass number is between 91 and 100. Okay. If next step, if the pass number is not satisfied, if the passed number or else the entered number is not satisfied, if the entered number is not satisfied with any of these conditions, then print the passed number. You just has to print what the number has been passed, then print the number, whatever has been passed, right? And print along with that number. You have to tell like if, the pass number is not matching any condition. The entered number is not matching any condition. The entered number is, you have to print that number and has to mention like that entered number is not matching with any condition, right? If let me tell that if the entered number is not satisfied with any conditions, if the number is not satisfied with, if the entered number is not satisfied with any condition, then print the number. You have to print that number, print the number, and also you have to print along with that number. You have to print passed number is not matching any condition. Okay, got it? Then print the number, then also along with that number you have to print passed number is not matching any condition. Understood, guys? In Pawan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next step. Irrespective of the conditions, print good practicing at the end of the script. Good practicing you have to print at the end of the script. It means whether the condition is satisfied or not, whatever it is, for any time you run the script, at the end it has to print good practicing. Understood, guys? Got the assignment?
Yes.
Okay, do it. Okay.
75 to 90 videos.
No, I don't know that. I just gave that, you do it. Okay. What I missed on all, I don't know. Okay. Any other questions, guys?